Hello and congratulations on making it to lesson 8. This is a special moment, one where we pause, reflect on all that you have achieved, and think about where your artistic journey will take you next. Art isn't just about techniques or materials. It's about growth, self-expression, and discovering who you are as an artist. By the end of this lesson, you will have the tools to evaluate your progress, organize your completed works, and set actionable goals for your artistic future. Reflection is a powerful tool in your artistic journey. It allows you to gain clarity on your progress, recognize your individual style, and set meaningful goals for future projects. Now, why does reflection matter? 1. It assesses your progress. Identify areas where you have grown and what techniques have worked best for you. 2. Recognize your style. Understand the unique elements that define your art and build on them. 3. Plan for the future. Use reflection to guide your next step and define what you want to improve or explore further. So incorporating reflection into your practice is key to unlocking your full potential as an artist. It helps you stay focused, build on success, and shapes your creative journey. Now let's see the steps on how we can do this process. Step 1. Evaluate your progress. Take some time to review everything you have created during this course and previously too. Ask yourself, what techniques did I enjoy the most? Which other areas do I feel most confident in? Where do I see room for improvement? Now, taking time to review your work allows you to reflect on your journey and gain valuable insights. By recognizing which techniques you enjoyed and identifying areas of confidence, you can continue to build on your strengths. This self-reflection is an important step towards developing your unique artistic voice and setting the stage for further growth. Step 2. Build your portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of all your work that showcases your skills and progress. It's not just a professional artist. It's a powerful tool for self-reflection and motivation. Now, how to organize it? 1. Choose your best pieces from all the artwork that you have made. 2. Arrange them in a chronological order to see your growth, or group them by themes like landscapes, abstracts, etc. 3. Take clear, well-lit photographs of your work and store them in a digital folder or create a physical binder. Now, building a portfolio is a great way to track your artistic journey and celebrate your progress. It serves as a tool for self-reflection and a visual record of your growth. Whether digital or physical, your portfolio will not only showcase your skills, but also provide motivation to continue exploring and evolving as an artist. Keep adding to it and let it inspire you as you move forward in your artistic journey. Step 3. Set goals for future growth. Now that you have reflected on your progress, it's time to look ahead. So, short-term goals. Experiment with a new technique you have been curious about, or create one painting a week to build consistency, or take part in our monthly challenges. Whereas when it comes to long-term goals, develop a series of painting around a specific theme or subject, or take part in an exhibition and showcase your work. Now, setting clear goals for your future growth as an artist is key to your continuous improvements. By breaking your ambitions into short-term and long-term goals, you can create a focused path to advance your skills and build your portfolio, whether it's experimenting with a new technique or preparing for an exhibition. Each step will help you evolve and stay motivated. Keep challenging yourself, stay consistent, and embrace every opportunity to grow. As we reach the final lesson of this course, it's time to look back at the progress you've made, celebrate your growth, and plan for the future. This journey has been about discovering techniques, building confidence, and expressing yourself through acrylic painting. Now it's time to reflect on your experience, create a portfolio to showcase your achievements, and set goals for your next artistic steps. So the key takeaways are: one is reflection. Regular reflection allows you to understand your progress, recognize strength, and pinpoint areas to improve. 2. Portfolio building. A well-organized portfolio is essential for tracking your artistic journey and showcasing your best work. 3. Goal setting. Setting clear, actionable goals will help you stay focused, motivated, and on track as you continue to develop as an artist. Now our exercise is write your reflection and build your portfolio. So step 1, watch demo videos and practice. Choose any 5 demo videos that showcase different painting techniques. Next, practice the painting process shown in each video and record your progress to visualize your improvements over time. Step 2, write your reflection. Spend at least 15 minutes journaling about your experience throughout this course. What techniques did you enjoy most, or what challenges did you overcome, or what aspects do you still want to improve on? Now step 3, build your portfolio. So like I said before, gather all the artworks that you have created during the course and otherwise also, and organize them into a digital or physical portfolio to track your progress. Now step 4 is set your goals. Write down at least 2 short-term goals and 2 long-term goals for your artistic journey. Now the short-term, focus on goals you want to achieve in the next few months. Maybe like mastering a new technique or creating a specific number of artworks. When it comes to long-term goal, consider where you want to be in the next 1 to 2 years. Maybe preparing for an exhibition or developing a signature style. Okay. Share your journey through the course and your key takeaways with the best artwork in our community group and on your social media now. Sharing your progress helps solidify your commitment to your creative path and keeps you engaged in the art community as well. It celebrates your growth and inspires others to take the next step. So be the guiding light and lead the way to your artistic dreams. Congratulations on completing the course. I'm so proud of you for reaching this incredible milestone. Your dedication, persistence, and passion for learning have brought you here, and it's truly inspiring. You have taken the first big step to your artistic journey, and this is just the beginning. Keep celebrating your progress, and remember, every masterpiece starts with the courage to begin. Now that you've built a solid foundation, don't forget to make full use of all the bonuses included in your Artist Discovery Program membership. So submit your work in our group, share your creations in our vibrant community group, and receive valuable feedbacks. Next, clear all your doubt. Get all your questions answered through our community discussions and dedicated support in our group. Then, attend all the monthly live question answer sessions so you can learn new techniques and directly solve all your doubts. Participate in the monthly challenges. Keep your creativity alive by joining the monthly live challenges. Let's decide to spark your inspiration and push your limit. So what's next? If you're serious about taking your art to the next level, the Master Artist Program is your no-brainer next step. This advanced program is designed to deepen your skill, introduce you to new techniques, and connect you with a community of like-minded artists who are passionate as you are. Take the next step today and let's continue this amazing journey together. Until then, keep experimenting, stay curious, and remember, the world needs your art. Happy painting!